Hey guys, we are at a berry farm in Homestead right now, and we don't know what we're doing here. My mom just said let's go to the berry farm, so we're at the berry farm. And yeah, say hi, abuela. I start filming when we actually do something and like get inside. But yeah, bye.
It's a celebration, so I lift you off the ground. Not only me falling the side around. As the ocean glows like we're in a movie. You got so much sand on your body when my hands move softly.
Se pueden.
Distance was always tight. I can see by the look in your eyes. We had the same gig in life. Now I know too much has been said. I'll take myself on adventure instead to build a new way of life.
No, next look out right here. She's a farmer. Mommy, look, you can get a corn farm now.
I make a wish for change.
Guys, we have entered a corn maze. What time is it, Mommy?
It is 4:01.
It is 4:01. Oh wow, technically we entered it at 4, to be honest. Let's say 4, because it hasn't been that long. Oh, it's a car. Let's see how long it takes us to get out here. Although I feel like we're gonna get out quite easily because there's caution tape around everywhere. Oh, Kiara is on a mission. Not us though. We are gliding smoothly. I don't even know if I'm filming myself right, but I'm just gonna point it forward. Guys, we have conquered the corn maze and we have gotten out at 4:08. 7 minutes, as if there wasn't caution tape telling her where to go. But yeah, the leader of the pack was Kiara. She has successfully led us out and has gotten us corn in the process as well. And my mother, the photographer, and my grandmother, my climber, is more up front. But right now, I'm just not in the conditions to be pointing around. But it's so hot, but there's such a nice breeze right now. See you guys later. I think we're gonna get barbecue now. I don't know. Bye.
It's a celebration, so I lift you off the ground.
Hey guys, me and Abuela are here sitting waiting for Kiara and Mommy to get food, but we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corns richer. I'm gonna sell them for $20 each. And then I'm gonna give Kiara 5%. No, I'm gonna cook with them, right? Deja ser como los mexicanos. Oh no. Deja ser como los mexicanos, el bol de maíz con el tajín y los chitos picante, con el cojito, yo no sé cómo dice que. Vea guys. Oh, this is so nice. The breeze is immaculate. Literally. I wore the perfect clothes. It's not too hot, not too cold. And they're still far in the line. Oh. This is cute, guys. Oh no, we're 8 corns richer. Because Kiara had 2 corns. Yeah. I'm here. You see everything he's wearing? Looks very fancy for a corn maze. 2 more corns. Mi mamá en la línea. Ya no va para atrás. depende porque mi mamá siempre ordena muchísimas cosas. Mira todos los girasoles. Ay, qué bonita. Ay, she's so cute. There's so many babies here, guys. Ooh. Not me and her. Where mira, abuela, yo y la otra abuelita poniéndonos la misma ropa. I take that back about my outfit, like hot dang. Yo no soy abuela todavía. No me pongan más años, por favor. This is cute. I like it. At night it'd be better though. It's more like a kid's place, to be honest. But it's still fun. Ay, huele tan rico. Mira el perro. Perro gordo. Ajá, yo estaba pensando en eso también. Oh my god, guys, I can drive on the highway now, right, abuela? I can drive on the highway now. I can't park. That would be a pretty picture. She was taking a pretty picture. Oh my god, I don't want to reject people. Please don't come. But there's like 4 of us. I mean, she could sit for a second. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this here off from again. Say it to the camera. What you were saying about the barbecue? They're out of chicken. They're out of fries. Sides. Out of fries. They're out of pulled pork. And they only had brisket and ribs. And bacon, barbecue, mac and cheese, and potato salad. He seems more your age appropriate. He seems more your age appropriate. He's cute. Don't even, he's way better. Him and abuela are matching. We came over here, we gotta wait for the order over there. How long is it gonna take? Hello? How long is it gonna take? ¿Y qué, mijo? ¿Cómo tú estás? ¿Estabas trabajando? Ya. Ah, bueno. ¿Eh? You wanna go with grandma? Brisket, snack. Oye, ¿qué te iba a decir? Oh, more brisket.
Porque aquí casi que ni te oigo casi nada. Me tengo que estar poniendo el teléfono en el oído para poder escucharte. ¿Eh?
Oye, qué ruido.
Sí.
Is it good?
Okay, Kiara, grab that. You clean your hands. Let me have a
Yeah, she's the one.
No, besito.
Oh, is this coleslaw? Did you guys get coleslaw?
Yeah, one with coleslaw. What's the other one?
Here. Mommy, can you rip the top off for Kiara to use on the plate?
¿Qué tú dijiste?
For Kiara to use on the plate. Me fue. It's like brown sugar. Actually, it's nice. Is it good? The brisket?
It's old. It's old.
I'm just using my hand. Solamente tienen brisket. You know where we have to go again? We have to go to the other one. You know, the other barbecue place I went to?
The what?
The other barbecue place that we went to. One time. No, we gone like twice. It's like a warehouse.
Oh, I know that.
I heard it's good. Yeah, you have like a lot everywhere. Everywhere. Like over here. And so far. Right. But this isn't the same part where we first went to. Where we picked the strawberries. It's not the same part.
No one said that it was. Who said that?
Oh, I thought it was.
Yeah.
Not a lot. Well, good thing you got 2 briskets.
Distance was always time. I can see by the look in your eyes. We have the same building life. I know too much has been said. I'll take myself on an adventure instead to build a new way of life.
Already? Esto es para turistas. Los que viven aquí no les importa mucho.
Like this for tourists?
I don't know why, but that cheese tastes so good. The mac tastes really good. Mira, hola, qué cool. Cool.
Pieces of rhythm my teeth.
called nervous to pull it out like first when we were like first about to come in. But then I did it and I realized there was these people staring behind me, but I'm like, whatever, it doesn't matter. We're gonna get a pumpkin. I was thinking that, but they rot really fast. And that pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it.
You? Before it rocked? Because those things smell so bad when they're rotten.
Distance was always fine. I can see by the look in your eyes. We're the same line. Now I know too much has been said. I'll take myself on an adventure instead to build a new way of life.
You just remembered, mommy? I don't remember. We remember the whole time. I was there and you're like, we're already here. This is a once in a year thing. We can go whenever there. Because this is what they said. There's no thighs, there's no chicken, there's no pork, and they don't said that there was only brisket and brisket. When I said that, that's all they said that there was left. So I'm thinking like they don't have anything. Why would like that's what I'm saying? Yeah. And mommy got upset of me saying that when there's only like 2 many things left. I understand both sides because the way I saw it was that they only had 2 things. We didn't know they had mac and cheese.
Well, they said that they had no size. That's it.
They said that they had no size, they had no chicken, they had no pork, and they had no Lo último que tenían fue el brisket, pero me imagino que ya terminaron.
No, yo no sé hasta las 7 de la noche. Lo que ya se les acabó la comida ahí.
Estoy segura que ellos...
Mija, ve busca a tu hijo allí.
Estoy segura que no... ¿Cómo se llama? No estimaron correctamente cuántas personas vinieron.
No, si lleva teniendo pocos años, vamos.
Sí, pero también no puedes comprar cuánto tú crees exactamente porque no siempre va a pasar ese chico para el churro. This dog, the most beautiful dog. Oh my god.
It's not too bad.
Oh, that's my bad. For your corn picking. I'll go back. And you can show us the dog when you're back. I could throw it away. Oh, this is coleslaw. This is good stuff. Is there mac and cheese in here? Yeah, there's mac and cheese. Do I put the mice in there? You're gonna put the mice in there? Good, that's all the mac and cheese is left. Dang. Mommy, pass me a sanitizing wipe because this one's dry. Pásame uno, por favor, abuela. Gracias. Let's see the dog, Kiara. I said, let's see the dog.
I don't care how like a picture.
Oh my god, girl, you should have heard this lady screaming like a crazy lady. What happened? I'm talking to Kiara about the crazy lady. The one screaming like a crazy lady. Oh my god, so these places, they need toothpicks too. Really gonna have to carry on your back. No. But my birth giver birthed to me like this, so I believe my birth giver should be the one to carry the toothpick on their back. Ooh, look at that. There's a bug. Look at those little mites.
I don't see the maíz. Mira, the maíz. Eso es chico.
Ay, abuela, tú tienes que limpiar esto buenísimo, porque yo no quiero comer.
No te preocupes.
¿Por qué no me voy a preocupar?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Kaitlyn, ¿rompiste toda la bolsa?
It's corn.
Go get another bag on the phone.
Que no me roben la cámara, por favor. Look, put it upside down. Have a cool baby, guys. Her name is Jamie. I need a
I did that for
Come on. Come on, where? Ice cream. Wait, girl, let me process. I'm sweating. Dogs are so cute. Let me see. So let me see.
Girl, I would suggest not to put your whole arm on top of the table.
Mom, why do you sound so aggressive when you say that? Say don't. You do. I just say don't put your arms on the table. It's dirty. Oh, this is the dog. The dog has blue eyes. Yeah.
Oh, girl, you said that.
The dog is moving. Look at this dog. Yo, what up? Hey guys, we're at Sprite to Rich, and this is Abuela's ice cream. She got a regular Nutella, and I'm getting it to her now. Déjame probar, abuela. Ese es Nutella. El mío todavía no lo han hecho. Qué bueno. Un poquito más. ¿Te gusta? Vaya, bueno. This place is good. Okay, I see when we have our ice cream. That one is Kiara's. Okay, guys, this one is mine. Well, I mean, we're still in the... I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video.
Oh, excuse me.
This one is mine. I already ate a little bit. This one is mommy's.
Mamita.
Distance was always timed. I I can see by the look in your eyes. We had the same gig in life. Now I know too much has been said. I take myself on adventure instead, to build a new way of life. Change.